In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place images in a blog post in Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a new post or updating an existing one, incorporating visuals is a fantastic way to engage your readers and add personality to your content. So let's get started. First things first, we need to access your Squarespace account. Begin by heading over to the Squarespace website and clicking on the login button. You'll notice an option for logging in with Google, which can be incredibly convenient if you frequently use a Google account. Go ahead and click continue with Google and select your respective account. This will save some time and keep things streamlined. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now find your website and click on it. This step will take you to the main configuration page where all the magic happens. From here, navigate to the Pages section. You can do this by clicking on Pages in the left-hand side menu of your dashboard. It's important to make sure you're in the right section so you can get to your blogs effortlessly. Now that you're in the Pages area, look for the Blog section. Squarespace organizes content very intuitively, so it should be fairly easy to spot the Blog button right there in the menu. Click on Blog to reveal your existing blog entries. This is where all the magic of content creation and curation gets managed. Next, click on Blog Content. This will unveil a list of all the posts you've created. Here, you can choose the specific blog post you want to add an image to. Simply click on your desired blog post to enter the editing space. Once you have your post open, hit EDT to unlock the full range of possibilities for customization. Now you're ready to integrate your visual content. As you scroll through your post, hover in the middle section of your text until you see a plus icon appear. This icon is a placeholder for where new content can be added in Squarespace, signaling the spot where you can incorporate an image. With the icon visible, click on it and you'll be presented with a menu of options. Go ahead and choose image from that selection. It's now time to add your image. You can either upload a new image from your computer or select one from your existing library within Squarespace. This flexibility allows you to update posts with fresh visuals or reuse existing images, depending on what suits your needs best. And there you have it, your image is now seamlessly integrated into your blog post. This simple process not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your blog, but helps keep your readers engaged with compelling visuals. Be sure to save all changes before exiting to ensure your updates aren't lost. By following these straightforward steps, you've learned how to effectively place images in a Squarespace blog post. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.